Maraming nagtatanong, bakit ba daw natin ipagdarasal si Duterte? Di ba sabi nga niya na God is stupid? Dear brothers and sisters, we need to understand three things. Number one, can God really be offended? Can an infinite God, unfathomable God, can an all-knowing, all-powerful, and ever-present God be offended? No, because God cannot be mocked. God is way, way beyond our comprehension and our understanding. And how can an old man offend an infinite, all powerful, and all loving God? Come to think of it, dear brothers and sisters, it is us who got offended. It is the religious leaders, it is the faithful, and it is the Christians who got offended by the words of the ex-President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Alright? So, dahil ba sa na-offend tayo ni Duterte, hindi na natin siya ipagdarasal? Dear brothers and sisters, God's grace is for everyone. It's like the sun, no? The rays of the sun is actually for everyone. Nobody is excluded. Kahit yung pinakamasamang tao, hindi excluded sa sikat ng araw. Kaya ba dahil sa na-offend tayo sa sinabi niya dati, hindi na natin siya ipagdarasal? Dear brothers and sisters, sabi ni Kristo, love your enemies. Pray for those who persecute you. Diba? That's number 2. And number 3, I believe that prayers are very powerful. We all want justice here, no? When I say justice, hindi ibig sabihin na gusto nating makulong si Duterte kasi may personal grudge tayo, kasi galit tayo sa kanya, kasi galit tayo sa extrajudicial killing. Tayong lahat po ay galit sa krimen. And when I say justice, hindi rin ibig sabihin na dapat makawala na si Duterte dahil sa fanatic tayo, no? Because we are a solid DDS fan. No. When I say justice, that means fairness and equality in the trial. I believe that our prayers are very powerful because it can bring justice. Justice meaning, kung wala talagang kasalanan si Duterte, pakakawalan siya. And he will be a free man. Pero kung meron man siyang kasalanan, that will also mean that he will be in jail and he needs to pay for his sins. Kaya, chill, no? Let us pray for one another. Kasi tulad ni Duterte, ikaw at ako makasalanan din. And we all need God's grace. That's why we need to pray. Because we need Jesus, we need Christ, we need God in our lives. I hope that helps. God bless everyone.